Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's now 16:05 hours on July the 23rd. It's a Tuesday. I'm going to try something a little bit different today. I have here, let's see if I can read the number on this. This is a little Olympus VN 7600, I think it is. Although it doesn't really make much difference what it is. Little digital recorder. And this is a little phototransistor that's soldered onto a 3.5mm microphone jack, and by plugging it into you can see the microphone slot on here, crazy as it sounds, you can actually record the sound of light. So what I'm trying to do with these videos that I'm uploading is to show different ways of potentially capturing voices of those who've passed over to the other side, EVPs. And I just want to show different ways of doing it, really. It's stuff that I've come across over the years. I've been tinkering around with this for, must be since at least 2013. And things really went up a gear in 2018, but I'll leave that for another show. Another show. It's the Andy Jones show. No, I'll leave that for another video where I'll explain what happened in 2018. But I came across an article online, and I'll try and leave a note in the in the information bit. God only, I don't know. Anyway, what I'm going to try and do is record the sound of a candle flame in the hope that I can capture some EVPs. If there are any ladies and gentlemen around here in spirit right now and you'd like to come forwards and help me with this, you're welcome. And I may or may not put this online, but I may put it online even if I don't get any EVPs. So there's no guarantee with this that we'll get any EVPs, it's just something new to try. But I think I'll probably put it online just to show people that you can do this kind of thing, and anybody can do it. I'll talk about spirits and things another time. So here we have a candle flame in a bowl. Okay, I hope you can see this. Let's try and, there you are, the candle in a bowl lined with tin foil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, I'm going to point it at me, ask a question and hope that it picks up my voice, and then I'm going to point it at this in the hope that spirits can perhaps communicate with me. But of course I won't know if I get anything until after I've checked this on the computer. So anyway, here we go, 16:09 hours on July 23rd, it's a Tuesday afternoon, 2024, and here we go, recording the sound of a candle flame. Are there any ladies and gentlemen with me right now who can come through? Dad, can you come forwards and call out the code word for me, please? Elsie, are you my spirit guide? Can you come forwards? Like I say, there's no guarantee with this at all. But I have actually had strange, what sound like voices many years ago. How many spirit guides do I have walking with me, please? Can my sister in spirit, Stephanie, can you come forwards and just call out your name, please? Wow, the air is tense. Are there any ladies and gentlemen in spirit looking for help today to cross over into the light? Are there any ladies and gentlemen here with me who have a message for anybody who may be watching this on YouTube? Thank you very much for trying to come through, trying to talk through the candle flame today. Any last messages before I switch this recorder off? Thank you very much for trying to come through today. I shall have a little listen to this on the computer and see if I can find anything. God bless all of you. And there we go. So like I say, I've no guarantee that this is going to work. This is just another idea. But I found this information online years ago now. And I'll leave a link to their web page in the description, in the information bit. And yeah, well, let's see if we can get some voices through. The idea is, you see, that spirits, souls, the departed, or energy, you know, energy, light beings. So there's the possibility that they might be able to talk through the light or manipulate the flame of the candle or any noise, because light makes noise. It's strange, but you can try this out for yourself when you have a look at the article. It's quite interesting. You can record the sound of fluorescent bulbs and LED bulbs of different types, and different coloured LED bulbs, as an example, have different sounds. The sun has a sound. Reflections on water. It's really quite interesting. And I'm hoping that it picked my voice up when I was pointing it at me, but if it hasn't, we'll have to use the audio off the camera. And I have no idea how I'm going to edit this either. I'm using WavePad on my computer, and I'm just hoping that I can do something where, you know, you can see what's going on and you can hear this. Anyway, that was me, Andrew, faffing around, recording the sound of a candle flame in the hope that he would, or I would, capture some voices of the dearly departed. Again, like I say, I'm not in competition with anybody on YouTube. I don't really care if anybody watches my stuff or not, but it's just interest value. It gives you another angle to come at. All I can say really is do it with respect and love. Anyway, thanks very much for watching today. I'll catch you again soon. Ta-ra for now.